In my last video, we left off with 3 more edge pieces to solve. So we got all of these edge pieces together. Okay, we got all of those edge pieces together. We have this edge piece, this one. But what we do not have is these two here, okay? These two here and these two here. Now, typically the last 2 edges are the trickiest to solve. So I thought I would stop at a place where we had 3 left and kind of just see what happens and see if we can figure that out together. I see I have orange, yellow, and orange, yellow here. Let me see if I can fix my lighting again. It's looking, there we go. Okay. So that's actually the place I want them to be because I want the same colors, orange and yellow, and I want them to be diagonal and not the same color. So the issue is that these back 2 right here need to not be the same. If I go ahead and move this over, I'm gonna end up mixing those up. So if I am trying to get these 2 together, the yellow, orange, and yellow and orange, I need to put the other third incorrect pair back up here. So notice that I have this very third pair, and I'm gonna move that up. So now those incorrect pieces are in the back, okay, the top back. And now I'm gonna try to get my yellow, orange together, okay? And so we're gonna go ahead and do the same move I've been doing, move that over. So we line these 2 up, send them up, and I always bring them back just so I can keep them together. Bring that side back down and realign your center. So realign my orange. Okay, let's see what I did. My other edges seem to be good. So all of my edges here are good. I have orange and green, red and white. Okay, did I just magically do those? I think I did. Okay, so sometimes those last 2 edges can be tricky, and I must have just been in a really good spot because I have all of my edges aligned exactly where I need to be. So hopefully that happens for you as well. If not, I guess I will have to make another video on what to do if you are struggling with your last 2 edges. So I'll have to put this cube in a place where those last 2 edges are not correct, but that happened to work out. So at this point, this cube actually turns into a 3x3. So that's another reason why I say you must be an expert on the 3x3 before you do the 4x4, because now this cube is simply just like this cube. So I'm going to go back to solving the 3x3.